Miloš Kuljic, top 4 ODS Championship Novi Sad. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tempai
So-
stuff.
Yeah, so I decided to play Tempai. And
How was the deck?
Deck is insane. So you basically play Bestials and Fiendsmith just to bait out the handships, so the Tempais can do the Tempai thing. Or if you want to play grinding matchup, you have stuff like Regained to back you up. So for the list, I played 3 Lubellion, 1 Regained and 1 of good Bestials. Sarnir is kinda dogshit if you don't play more Bestials, so yeah. For the Fiendsmiths, I played 3 Engraver, Tract, Luri, Paradise and Lacrima. I wouldn't change much here. The best engine.
Paradise
in
is
the game.
best in hand, bro.
Yeah, best thing when you draw it. For the Tempais, I decided to play 2 Pedra, 2 Genroku, 1 Chandra, 1 Fadra, because you can play 1, unlucky. 1 Terraforming to search the field, and 1 Sanguine Summoning, Kaimen. Why 2, 2? 3 is too much, 1 is too little, so I decided to play 2.
And if you play this at 3, this at 1, you draw this and it's...
If you play 1 Genroku and you draw it, it's so bad. So it's bad discard. You can't search with field. You can't search with Kaimen. It's so bad if you draw it. So I think this ratio is correct. For the non-engine, 3 Fuki, Nib, Imperm, Taylor, and Ash. This is like 15 handships before side, and after side you go like
20.
up
21.
to 20. For the extra, 1 Requiem, Moon, Lina. This is kinda cuttable. You can play the Promethean, but this taking the detonator is kinda insane, so yeah. But I would probably cut this for Promethean. It came up in 1 match today. 1 Sequence, Seals, IP to SP, and Agunday. Yeah, so for the fusions, Necro and Desiree, you kind of want to play 2 Desirees, but your X-Rec is so tight, so you kind of can't. And the Necro KP is the most insane card ever printed. I love this card so much. Synchros, 1 Bident, Transcendent, Trident, and this was the Chaos Angel. Shout out to Chadomir for borrowing it to me. And Caesar, like the end board piece.
So going first,
anything?
going first board is this and Caesar.
It depends. So this deck doesn't have really like a combo, so you're kind of freestyle all the time.
It depends on what you draw.
Yeah, end board is this or maybe this. I love to make IP, and then if I have Magma in the rotation, I search Druids, and then you have like a Druids into SP, into IP. So yeah, that's it for the extra. And side, 3 Bella. It hits kinda the Malice, so it's only hand trap that actually hits that fucking deck. So
Except Lancia.
except Lancia. 3 Phantasmes to draw into more handships. 3 Lancia, 3 Judgments. I would probably cut this for Strike. Cards are basically the same, but this burns you for more, and it actually matters in the grind matchups. And 3 Droplet. This I will cut 2 for like 2 Trust and 1 Talent, because you don't really have a good fodder for Droplet. It actually kind of hurts you to throw your cards if you are playing the grindy matchup.
Would you cut Phantasme for Purulia?
Probably, but I don't have access to them, so this is just fine. Deck is fucking insane. I went 6-1. I lost only to Raziel Finsmith, and I lost on time, so fuck that. Yeah, I would change some things like judgments for strikes for judgment, this for Truss and Taranat. Except this nothing. I would like to give a huge shout out to Jado YGO for helping me figure out the list, for sličke prepličke, and yeah, that's it. See ya.